Uploading and naming a research article PDF to your Trello card. So we need to attach the PDF of our content onto the Trello card, and we do that simply by downloading and saving the file in a particular way. So we want to save it firstly with the unique identifier. So in this case it's R266, then space hyphen space, and the year that it was published, which is 2012, then space hyphen space, and the name of the document, which is Navigating the Sustainable Investment Landscape. So we save that to our computer. And then on our Trello card, we go to Attachment, Computer, and attach it like that. And there we have it. Just keep in mind that we use this naming convention. So the unique identifier, which is this one here, the date, the year, sorry, that it was published, followed by the title.